Welcome to Top Facts. This is the Russian Navy Gromkhy, pennant number 335, a Steregushchiy-class guided missile corvette assigned to the Pacific Fleet. This Russian designation project 20380 Corvette is the sixth built ship of 12 planned for the Russian Navy. The original ambition was for 30 ships. The Gromkhy, her crew and senior Russian commanders are seen here during her commissioning ceremony 25th December 2018 at her home port of Vladivostok, where she joined her sister ship Steregushchiy, pennant number 333. The first Steregushchiy-class corvette was laid down in 2006 as part of the Russian Navy modernisation program. The Pacific Fleet will eventually receive 6 ships of this class. The third ship, the hero of the Russian Federation, Drastisically, pennant number 339, was commissioned in the Pacific Fleet 25th December 2020. These ships are used for littoral zone operations, engagement of enemy submarines, surface ships and gun support of landing operations. Pacific Fleet assigned ships predominantly patrol in the Sea of Japan, Sea of Okhotsk and Bering Sea. The ship, full displacement at 2,200 tons and dimensions of 104.5 metres length, are regarded large for a corvette. It is actually designated as a frigate by NATO. The ship's size allows it to carry a greater array of armaments compared to previous Russian corvettes, allowing it to conduct multi-purpose operations. The ship even carries a Ka-27 anti-submarine helicopter. These ships have an operational range of 3,800 nautical miles. Again, its size and displacement supports a larger storage of supplies for the 90 crew members, effectively allowing it to stay operational at sea for approximately 15 days. As with many Russian Federation projects, this is another project unable to reach build numbers that would have any kind of meaningful impact on Russian naval power. An original ambition to build 30 Steregushchiy-class corvettes for the Russian Navy modernisation program is now very unlikely to happen, and its plans to sell an export version, as of yet, has seen little interest. It seems very probable the Russian Navy will receive just 12 of these ships, the final 3 likely to suffer delays. The 12 will be shared across the 4 Russian fleets. The Russian war against Ukraine, the consequential international sanctions imposed on the Russian Federation and loss of ships during this conflict will further impact significantly the Russian Navy's ability to modernise her fleets, very likely pushing back timescales on projects by many years.